Hey guys, we're looking at a thoracic vertebra. So you can see a lot of the common characteristics shared by all the vertebrae. So we've got our body, we've got our vertebral foramen, we've got the pedicle right there branching the body to the lamina. So remember, basically from the transverse process all the way down to the spinous process, all of that right there is lamina. So if we had the intact spine and you ran your fingers down it, basically what you would touch, remember those vertebrae are layered one on top of the other in layers. That's what lamina means. So you have your transverse processes, your spinous processes, your superior articular facets, your inferior articular facets. You have your intervertebral notch. Also, if we had two adjacent vertebrae there, we'd have a disc between the adjacent bodies, and then the next vertebra that would then enclose this notch, making it an intervertebral foramen. The one thing that's extra here, or really two, you can see one here, and you can see a little divot up there. Those are special facets. Those are costal facets. That's where the ribs attach. You also have a facet on the transverse processes there. Right there you can see one. And that's where the head and tubercle, right after the neck, so you'd have the head of the rib, the neck, the tubercle, the angle, and then it'd come on around up to the front. That's where those ribs attach. Okay, that is unique to thoracic vertebra because those are the only vertebrae that come into contact with the ribs. So again, those are costal facets. You would have a superior costal facet and an inferior costal facet. There are 12 thoracic vertebrae, T1 through 12. Remember that T1 and C7 are going to look a lot alike, and they're going to transition as they go down through the spine. And T, like 10, 11, 12, those are going to start to resemble more of the lumbar vertebra. So their spinous processes are going to shorten. That angle or that arch, vertebral arch, is going to come back out instead of being so downward. It's going to come up, 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 up. And these are going to be a lot shorter. They're going to be a lot fatter, resembling those of a lumbar vertebra. You're also going to see the angle of the thoracic vertebra change as it comes out. So your cervical vertebra, those spinous processes stick way out straight. So like T1, 2, 3, those are going to be way more out. And then as you progress downward through the thoracic region, those spinous processes are going to start to taper down, 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 down. And that's your vertebral arch. So you'll just see a difference in those arches. And that's all for thoracic.